Hi, I'm Ember. We're back with a big new update that many of you have been asking for. Scriptly now supports smart recognition and natural language input, making it faster than ever to turn your thoughts into action. Let me show you how it works. When you're working and you type Ctrl Spacebar to open the quick entry dialog, you can now type natural language. And I can now type a day like today, tomorrow, next week, or even a specific date, and it will be recognized as a due date. I can also add priority with P1, P2, P3 for high, medium, and low priority. And when I press enter, the task is added. Another example is when you want to work on something important for your goal or life area. You can add the task and use the tilde to quickly add your goal or life area. And you can also create one inline. You can use tags as well. If you type a hashtag, you can select any tag that you like. Besides due dates, I can also add deadlines to my task. So I want to book flights on Monday. That's the due date. And if I want to add a deadline, I can add it between curly brackets and it becomes a deadline. So the difference between a due date and a deadline is that the due date is when you want to work on something and the deadline is the last possible moment that it needs to be done. So you can do all of this from your keyboard, no menus, no clicking around, which makes it super fast. Let me show you another use case. Let's say my goal is to write a book. I can now add a task here, add an estimate like this, and the duration will be added to my task. For another one, and in this way you can quickly estimate how much time you need to achieve this goal. And planning your day works the same way. I can just type the task, so I have a family barbecue this evening, and I can even add a time range. So I will say 8 p.m. until 10 p.m. and it will be added into the calendar. Natural language input and smart recognition make Scriptly much faster, simpler, and more connected to the way you actually think. You can find the full list of commands on our Help Center, linked below. Thank you so much and talk soon.